क्या करना चाहिए बहुत
अगर तक बाइट से जरूरत बंद कर देगी तो
against the fascist forces that are emerging in the country.
Do you think Modi way will also show the effect this time also?
I have no idea. God only knows.
What about the unity between Congress and because you have a lot of other leaders gave a different statement as you said day before yesterday.
Let me tell you one thing. We're all standing together to fight the evil that is in India. And there is no differences as far as that is concerned. We have no difference.